Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Lagonic, and for this weekly digital reflective summary, I will be discussing my action research question and the topic. My research topic is to examine and describe the effect of reflective thinking on the student's higher order thinking skills and metacognition during the math block through the implementation of a math reflection journal. I decided on this research topic because last school year, I analyzed my students' progress on their math unit assessments, and I discovered a trend where students were persistently struggling with answering depth of knowledge level 2 and 3 questions. However, they did well with level 1 questions. Compared to level 1 depth of knowledge questions that ask students to recall information, level 2 and 3 questions require a higher demand of reasoning, increasing the complexity of these problems. This trend in student data helped develop my action research question. My action research question is, how can I use math reflection journals in my second grade homeroom mathematics class to promote my students' higher order thinking and metacognition when solving math word problems, with their higher order thinking skills measured by an increase of level 2 and 3 depth of knowledge questions answered correctly on their unit assessments and daily independent assignments, and their metacognition skills measured by an increase in positive responses on a daily metacognitive inventory. Since the terminology of a math reflection journal is vague, I decided to create math reflection prompts. These prompts are organized by skill set, for example, previewing or reviewing content, or having students explain a math problem. These prompts vary in complexity and in time. Before conducting my research, I had to define each of my variables so I knew what just to look for throughout my study. I defined student reflective thinking as the student's ability to think actively, persistently, and strategically to examine each math word problem's meaning, which helps them to understand the implications their actions have on their success. I defined metacognition as the student's ability to think about their thought process. This includes the student's ability to plan, monitor, and assess their understanding. This process also consists of the student's ability to view problems through different perspectives. I define higher order thinking as the student's capability of transforming information and knowledge learned into a meaningful understanding. This process requires students to perform skills such as inferring, predicting, and manipulating. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to your feedback.